What's up, Soul Family? Coming at you with another collective reading. As always, we're going to kind of just pull it and see what's meant to come out. And without further ado, let's jump right in. We got the Three of Pentacles in reversed. I'll put gemstones over or crystals over the cards that come out reversed in just a second. That way I can keep track of them. I kind of like how they look when they're all upright, but I still like to keep the reverse meaning in mind. Pull one more. And then the bottom of the deck we have the Two of Wands. So I'm going to go ahead and organize everything and we'll get started with the reading. So with these two coming out in reverse, it points towards maybe there being some form of burnout. And maybe it's behind a group project or a collaboration, or maybe it's some kind of work project or some kind of business effort that you are doing with another person. Maybe there are a lot of miscommunications and like little tidbits and arguments and little things like that that are getting in the way and building up to that burnout. With the Seven of Pentacles, I definitely get the need to maybe sit back and persevere and to kind of not burn yourself out, but to kind of rest and relax and maybe really contemplate your next phases. All three of these cards have the energy of sitting back and planning your next steps, and maybe that will help reduce the amount of burnout that you're feeling. Maybe the goal isn't to take action, but to take inspired action, so you're not consistently putting too much effort towards something that, could be maybe resolved in fewer steps if you thought about a better resolution. With the Seven of Pentacles and the Two of Wands, I definitely feel the need to not give up yet and to continue to plan ahead. And I definitely feel the need to sit back and really take care of yourself and find a way to balance nurturing yourself through this burnout, but also being productive. Maybe the answers aren't clear yet, but I feel like with the High Priestess, the answers will come with time. And maybe as you're sitting in that energy of rest and healing yourself and kind of, just take and self-care, so to speak, that answer will come. Many times when we're actually in that energy of a little bit more of relaxation and more uplifting energies, the answers come out of nowhere. So maybe the answer will come maybe through a download, maybe through a random insight, or maybe it'll even be through your collaboration. Maybe that Three of Pentacles will come out of the reverse and come back to the upright, in which you guys are actually collaborating and having good ideas. If there were disagreements, then I see that you guys are going to be working past this. The Ace of Cups has the energy of renewal, so I definitely see you guys fixing and resolving whatever disagreements there were. And it's not uncommon. Many times when you're trying to get together with different people who might have different perspectives, there might be a slight clash of those perspectives as you try to come to one and blend those together. But with these coming out, I definitely want to say that you're on the right path. Just don't give up yet. Like, you're very close to getting all those fruits. So you can tell that you're burnt out, that you're tired, that you're exhausted, but keep taking inspired action. I feel like the goal is to visualize and plan and then act. Visualize and plan and then act versus just act. And that, guys, is your reading. If it resonated, please feel free to let me know in the comments. And if you're interested in booking your reading with me, you can do so at the link in the bio. I hope you guys have a great day, and peace and blessings. Also, last but not least, don't forget to check out my Etsy store, where I have my ebooks on aerokinesis, on manifestation, and I have like lots of really cute things like mugs, desk mats, and phone cases. But I hope you guys have a great day, and peace and blessings.